that?
It's massive.
Look at the screen. What is that?
I'm trying to get a clearer signal. It's huge.
Whatever it is, it's right on us.
Something's alive out there.
What was that?
It hit the car.
Drone, hold the light steady.
Hold position. Something's under there.
Look out! It's right below us! Pull back now!
Ethan, it's right below you.
Catch! Take him! We got him! Hurry up!
Get that drone up now, Maya!
Activating the lure. Logan, keep the light steady on the target.
Keep it moving, Maya! Don't let it get close! What was that? Hold on to something. We're going out! He's turning! Hold tight, guys!
Be advised, subject is moving into the drainage system.
Hold on, we're taking on water! Maya, watch the waves from the tail! I can't see where we're going.
Pull the lever, Ethan.
I'm on it! It's closing now.
We're clear. Keep going. Under the bridge now.
Come on, big guy, follow me out.
If it breaks through, we don't stand a chance.
It's still there, but moving deeper.
The gate's giving in.
Get it started!
Firing the flare. Go, 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 go.
It's heading toward the city center.
Grab
him! It almost got you. Drive, 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 drive!
It's heading for the subway tunnel entrance.
Command, we need immediate backup.
Keep the light steady. Get ready with that flare. We're losing them in the storm.
Hold on, it's right there. I'm taking the shot. Hit it now, Maya.
It's going down.
Prepare containment net.
Phase 1. Ready?
Heart rate rising. It's waking up.
Control, we have contact. It's active.
We can lure it back to the tunnel, Maya. That's our only shot.
Lure's active. He's turning.
Detonator armed. Just give the word. Hold steady. We're almost there.
Let's make sure nothing like this ever happens again.